Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. I am Claire Eloise Chong Morido, a grade 12 STEM student from St. Vincent's College Incorporated. In this vlog, I will be discussing about the importance of evolution, the importance of a family tree, few examples of my family's different and similar traits. As you likely know, human evolved from a species of monkey. Whales evolved from deer-like animals or creatures. And birds evolved from our favorite extinct animal, and that is the dinosaur. Obviously, it happened with evolution. And what exactly is evolution? How does it work? Why is it important? Evolution is the development of life on Earth. It is the process that began billions of years ago and still continuing to this day. It is the net change in organisms or population over a span of many generations. We will break down the definition into two parts: the net change in organism or a population, and one that occurs over the span of many generations. The first part reveals what and where these changes happen, the mechanism of evolution like natural selection. The second part tells us two things: the time it takes for organism to change, and thus obviously the process involves reproduction. Evolution is essential as for the reason is, it explains how life evolved on Earth and the species living on Earth are related. The evolutionary relationship helps in solving biological problems, diversity of life, and much more. My phylogenetic family tree. This is my grandparents, who are Linda D. Morido and Eliseo T. Morido Sr. This is my father's side. The eldest son is Wesley D. Morido, married to Hermie C. Morido. Their children are John Wesley C. Morido, Mark Wesley C. Morido, and Venus Elaine C. Morido. The second son is Elwin D. Morido, married to Eileen L. Morido. Their children are Glendon L. Morido and Willin Angel L. Morido. The third son is my father, Eliseo D. Morido Jr., married to my mother, Rosebeth Chong Morido. And these are both my younger siblings, Rosel Claire Chong Morido and Ellie Chong Morido. The fourth son is Warlo D. Morido, married to Ninette L. Morido. And their daughter is Casey Lou L. Morido. The youngest son is Wendell D. Morido. These are my grandparents from my mother's side, Rosalier Lim Chong and Barcelides Alabata Chong. This is my family on my mother's side. My mother is the eldest among four siblings, Rosebeth C. Morido, married obviously to my father, Eliseo D. Morido Jr. The second child is Kerwin A. Chong, married to Hope C. Chong. Their children are Keishel Kyra C. Chong and Kirk Howen C. Chong. The third child is Khaled Russell A. Chong, married to Jacqueline F. Chong. Their son is Kazrael Theodore F. Chong. The youngest among all is Christine Rose C. Cainta, married to John Seymour Cainta, and both are expecting a baby girl. Nowadays, the people, especially the new generation, has become very active and interested in knowing more about their family history. This is the reason that they are looking for sources that help them to get familiar with the distant family members, cousins, and the ancestors. What is a family tree? In simple language, a family tree is a hierarchy which shows all of the family members together and how they are associated with one another. How useful is a family tree? Better understanding of relationships, sense of identification, and feeling of pride.